Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Brastan Sutoku. My student ID is 1101184389. Okay, let us begin. What is Mitratel? PT Daya Mitra Telekomunikasi is a subsidiary of PT Telkom Indonesia, which is engaged in providing telecommunication infrastructure. Mitratel has been in telecommunication tower business since 2008. Till now, Mitratel has managed more than 28,000 telecommunication towers spread throughout Indonesia. All Indonesian operators have become tenants by placing their BTS device on Mitratel towers. Come to executive summary. These are the analysis of the business environment. The company itself is Mitratel. The customer is XL Axiata, Tri, Indosat, and Telkomsel. And then the competitor is PT Tower Bersama Infrastruktur and PT Sarana Menara Nusantara. Then the channel is sales forces. The supplier is Inti or Pins, and complementer is Bank Telkom Indonesia. And change driver is economic and political. First is the analysis macro environment. First is economic that cover tax, bank loan interest, additional capacity capital from PT Telkom Indonesia. Second is socio-cultural. Data cellular is increasing populating growth in Indonesia. And then the third is demographic, where mostly Indonesian with the number is 273.5 million. And then the regulation, company obey government by laws, regulation, and government. And then the technological, there are 5G launching, site infrastructure, 4G, existing site, and then other issue is human resource. Alright, next to the macro environment analysis. First is threat. There are intense price competition, and then relative power of the stakeholder is from government, Telkom Indonesia, and RUTS. And then bargaining power of buyer, we try to give the cheaper rental costs. And then bargaining power suppliers, there are Pins and Inti as the supplier and resources in transmission. And then threat of this product substitutes is satellite technology from 6G. And then this is the success factor. I give the number as the success factor. First is number of tower. Second is healthy company or DER. And then net profit margin. And then the tower deployment. And then the trust in stock market. First is Mitratel have the most number of tower, and then the big is the less number, and then the healthy company based on debt to equity ratio. Mitratel get the number 21 because it is below 100%, and then the big is at 300%, and the OWR is at 160%. And then non-profit margin in Mitratel get 300%, and then the big is total 20%, and then the OWR is 41%. And then tower deployment, Mitratel already have the tower in Indonesia, and then other company only focus in Java. And trust in the stock market, Mitratel have interest in the market, and TBIC has a increasing trend, and then the TOWR has decreasing trend that affect trust in the stock market. This is the those analysis. So this is the score, the opportunities opportunities is mobile data usage, subscriber has increasing, strong data traffic growth, and then potential consolidation, and then become a public company. And then the threat is company face intense competition and price pressure, and then the company may face local community resistance. And then the new technology, the potential to reduce the revenue, and then the increasing operating expense can reduce the company operating margin. We get score 3.385. Next to strength and weakness. Strength, leading telecommunication tower. The company unique national network provide essential infrastructure to support all communication and digital services. And attractive and flexibility in business model with high revenue visibility underpinned by a quality customer base. Attractive financial profile with potential increasing margin, strong cash flow, and industry leading. The company may not able, this is the weakness, able to manage the company grow. The company is subject to direct government control. And then the company may not able to detect, prevent bribery, employees, representative agent, customer, and the company other third parties. The company relies on key management, personnel, and the company ability to recruit, train, retain, and motivate key employees can have a detrimental impact. So we get the 2.875. So this is the location in IFE, internal in average level, and then the external at the high level. So this is the coordinates. And then this is the tau matrix. This is SO strategy, the strategy, SD strategy, and WT strategy. So in strategy, in here, we're choosing the strategy number 1. What is it? It is increasing the number of tower sites to meet future needs. Why we are choosing this? Because this is the prospect of the company is already good. The second is WO strategy, which is number 2, because it is implement the knowledge management to maintain the continuity of the company. This is good for the long term. So the effect of the margin is not it is not a really big deal. And then the ST strategy, I choose number 1 because it is open or improve business development and planning department, so we can make a decision faster, so we can survive in technology updates. In WT strategy, which is number 2, motivate every element to adapting a new technology, so we can avoid corruption, and margin is not big deal to a long term. And then this is the Mitratel's business model canvas. The customer is for cellular enterprises. We directive one-to-one to them. We offer a most comprehensive tower rental to them. And then how they can reach our product by sales process. And then the key activities, there is a installation, construction, maintenance, and then key resource is tower. And then the key partner is telecom, government, banks, and fields. So the cost structure is operational, installation and construction, and then the maintenance. So and then the revenue stream that a customer need to pay is only rent. So this is the innovation. Innovation in here I only give in here. It gives a digital platform to the customer segment in cellular enterprises, so they can access our service by the application. And then the value value proposition that we offer is the most comprehensive BTS rental. Why we change from the tower to BTS? Because the next time in the future, tower become more already installed by BTS, but the technology is still increasing, still update, maybe 6G. So we can step ahead by installing the newest BTS. So the key resource is here, new generation of BTS. This is our offer to the customer segment. So the customer segment can rent the new generation of BTS and the application they choosing by maps, so they can be more effective to planning at their cellular. And then our key activities is maintenance, BTS acquisition, and then new generation BTS installation. Key partner is the same, and then cost structure, their operational, installation, and maintenance. Revenue stream, they pay rent to us. And then that's all from me. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and see you.